Hapadeng ka jing nang kieu jong ka jing don ki ba armet dang Khynnah karta hapo ke jela ke Myntri katnat ke Koit ke Khiah Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala khot lawer ban Ïakren Halor ke nikamat ba banrat ding khong ya ki babon ki jing sngo Khiah ke Dr. Lingdo ne ke sngi ke laong ba ki shlem ai jing kai hapo ke jela ki dei ban don ya ke por ban Ïakren na ba ke ne ke subject ke don ke jing dei bat ke Koit ke Khiah jong ki long ke me ba ki Khynnah kan thei Abakerpat ya ki seng Tremont ngobha banyak snok tilang bat ke sokar hakane ke liang banyak khun bat ke nie ka jing tenju baya dei bat ke jing armet Khynnah ke Myntri ke laong ba ke sokar kan Ïakren Halor ke nie ke benta ba ke kwa ban pentikna ba ke Koit ke Khiah jong ki kentei badang Khynnah arta kan syakta namar ke nie ke daw.
There should be free and frank discussion in educational institutions on the matter of spreading the ill health of undesirable ones of individual, and you can only talk about it if you discuss it in a proper manner. Awareness could also be with the help of stakeholders, church, communities, different social organizations must all join hands with the government if we want this to be adequately understood down to the last man in the last village. It's a very difficult proposition, but it can be done.
Myntri katnat puli puthi ke jela